Okay, I'm going to demonstrate my wire fence clip hack that I did to use it with this Job's multi-use netting, which I used for a deer barrier. This is what they look like in the bag. I wanted to make a door with the plastic netting, so here's what I did to fit the T-post. Took this thing here, bent it around like that. Hope I'm catching this. Give it a squeeze. This piece here, straighten it out a little bit. Aim it out that way. And give it a little squeeze. Fish it through the netting around the T-post. Grab this on the T-post, bring it around. Put a wrap of a wire tie on there. Give it a pull, and you pull your fence plastic netting over that. And you have a way to get in and out of your little protected area. So that's what they look like. That's what it looks like before you bend it. That worked out really well. I'll give you a demonstration. I'm going to take you outside in a minute. All right, I'll be back. There's more. Okay, how you doing out there, friends and subscribers? Here's what I did on July 3rd today, out here in the blistering sun and 90-degree heat. I got some T-posts a few days ago. I used some of that Job's plastic netting, deer barrier they call it, to go around my tomato plants, which are doing fantastic. And that's roughly, I think, 7 by 6 square. And then I made a homemade T-post driver. And as the ones they had for sale, if you could find them, were 40 bucks a piece. Round tube from China. That wasn't happening. I built that out of scrap. Works great. Now I'll show you, if I can put the camera down without dropping it, all those little clips I just, or I'll show on the other side, I guess, depending on how I load this. I needed a way to be able to come in here to get to work on the tomato plants. I put those little clips, which I did a demo of, and now you just give this a pull, bend the T-post a little bit, and look at that. And now I got a way to get in and out. There you go. That worked out pretty good. So now I got that done. Probably got about 10 tomatoes popping up. Sorry about the camera. And the reason I use plastic, obviously, is I'm working around slopes. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to come over here and do this raised bed, because the deer are back in the yard. And then I think tomorrow I'll cut my weeds. They're growing like crazy. It's been raining non-stop here. But the tomatoes are doing fantastic. I got some fertilizer I had good reports on and did outstanding. So that's the deer barrier. Hopefully it'll slow them down. I've seen people make these out of fishing string and claim that it works, so we'll give this a shot. So that's it. I hope everybody has a safe and happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Just showing off the deer barrier. Maybe that'll give somebody an idea. That's what I came up with, how to get a door in here without building something overly complicated. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a safe holiday. I'm out.